You guys have been asking me for ages now, Timo, how to create 808s from scratch in FL Studio with stock plugins. Well, it's actually super simple. You just download an 808 from the internet, you change it up a little, and then sell it online. No, I'm just kidding, but that happens a lot, so watch out before buying sample packs. Anyway, let's start creating some 808s. First, open up the channel rack. Then in here, open up the 3x oscillator. Once you have it, drag the coarse pitch of the 3 oscillators all the way to -24 semitones. For the first 2 oscs, the sine wave will do just fine. For the third oscillator, set it to a triangle wave. This will make the sound waves more harsh and aggressive. Next, click the tool icon and go to the envelope. This is where we're gonna shape the sound of the 808. To do that, create a very fast attack. Set the hold to 0, the sustain and release as well. Then with the decay knob, you can decide if you want a short or long 808. That's completely up to you. Now, when that's done, go to the pitch tab. This is gonna modulate or change the pitch of the 808, and that's gonna give it the kick sound. To do that, increase the amount first, then create a super fast attack again. Now turn down all the knobs again except for the decay. Increase this one just a little as well. Now this creates the basic bass sound. Now it's time to add effects so we can create a hard-knocking 808. First, make sure the 3x oscillator is sent to a mixer track. Then in the mixer, go to the effects rack and open up the Fruity Wave Shaper. You can click the settings icon to open up other properties. Now, basically you can distort the sound that comes into the wave shaper. The bottom is the input and the left side is the output. With the line in the middle, you can adjust the amount of distortion by clicking and dragging. You can right-click the line to add a second point. Now you can create a graph similar to this. Now, this sounds really aggressive, and to control that, add a Fruity compressor to the effects chain. In here, decrease the threshold to -30, the ratio to 2, and increase the post gain a little. Of course, feel free to adjust the sound so that it sounds good for you. There you go. You can now use the compressor as an extra tool that gives you more control over the shape of your 808. Next, add a Fruity overdrive effect. Mess around with the preamp and with the post gain until you're satisfied. Now it's time to add an equalizer. To boost up the thickness and body of the 808, grab this second band and boost it up a bunch. This is a fairly aggressive EQ adjustment, but because we're creating our very own 808s, this is perfectly fine. Don't use this kind of EQ on an 808 you downloaded from a sound pack. Those are already processed and ready to use. If you want to add more aggression to the 808, increase the low mid to mid frequencies just a little. This is where you can really find the growl of the sound. Play around with the highs and lows as well. Shape it exactly the way you want. And that's it. Here's a quick beat loop with the 808 we just created. Next, I want to show you 15 tricks that every producer needs to know. Thank you guys so much for watching.